So use your head, follow the right lane. When I check the industry, I say, oh man, this man, I like follow. When I hear clap, if you want clap. Because in the world today, it's not easy make person where they do the same thing where they do. They give you full support. I'm Igbo boy, I get sense, I know my age. I know who did for me. First time I believe this man, with the drive going house. Now he tell me, say, that show where they come from now. Say, you perform? I say, yes. He say, she perform? I say, yes. He say, when I perform, people break chair. I say, no. He say, not the same laughter. No, I allow anybody to see you. As you funny, that's why funny. I know if you forget that talk for my life. That's the now decide saying, this man I won't follow. You understand? Yeah, I don't talk about that too. They plan open mortuary. Yeah. I carry the girl where I plan to marry. We enter fast food. I know they for fast food lights is there everywhere. The girl say she want eba and soup. Better eba, fisherman soup. She can't dey swallow and small. I say, baby, eat well. She say, no, I have small esophagus. I say, she can't dey swallow and small. Now then take light. As then take light, then they get rush, mode one big one. We be like my head. As she won't swallow and then bring light, everywhere bright. Now she say, baby. I say, He say, honey, this one is for you. I say, you go swallow him now. Look at that. You know the girls are never stranded. Girls are the most calculative being. Anywhere they go, they know their plan. Girls know they strand though. As here day night, if here dark, then go open their bag, then hold small green, what do they call them, ring lights. If their phone go low, then hold power bank. If they are high, he pin them inside their bag, then hold slippers. If they honey, check where, then hold vibrator. They are never stranded. Hey God. And who put this law? Say once young boy enter public transport, you can't see girl where you know inside the bus. Automatically now you go pay her transport. No, who put that law? My guy from artillery to D-line, he sit down for front, may nobody touch him. The girl notice him back head. From there, help me touch that guy. Help me touch that. Hi, Stanley, it's me, Sophia. The boy paid 200 with no plan. Use road walk, come back. All those guys say they see where they dress well. We go say, actually, I'm not a beggar. I'm a little bit stranded. When stranded, no get a little bit. If you're stranded, you are. And why we say Port Harcourt? You know the Port Harcourt boys, especially all these Ikwere boys, they like burial. If you see their 80 ball, nobody they won't cry for burial. And then go to check girl for burial. If you see your boys, they focus. So boy, this girl will fine as she they cry like this. If this girl smile, she go fine pass like this. Bet Naija boys. All these boys they go use 100 naira they play to win 1 million. If not your papa business, you go allow enter. They focus rubbish. And you know say, no matter what you do for this life, no matter how disciplined you dey, girl won't come visit you. You dey save money. Now one thing she go ask you, if you no break that colo, when she just call you, just say, am I sleeping over? Baba. My guy asked my guy, now, we dey stay for one room, 3 of us. No money, no food, nothing. As the girl say, am I sleeping over? I shock. My guy say, Mo, come go sleep for hotels, ain't go lodge us. Where the money come from? And guess of nowadays, you know say before, once girl tell you say she go sleep over for your house, that means something fit happen. She come your house, come bath, say I need something to change. Na signal. Baba now, no green light. Girl go come your house, smoke Igbo, naked, drink Hennessy, bath, lie down. If you touch him, if you see slap. I beg, go see me on a green light now. You say, money. I mean they don't seize honor. They spray online now. 2 people don't spray me for here. My account. Yes, my girl. And Nigerian musicians have to try because the only working system for this our country now, the entertainment industry, minus all these men now, we don't try for themselves, we get business, we they run. Entertainment, the comedians, Nollywood actors, we say the girls who never really know anything they act, rather than they act film or they act up. No. Very soon, the way Nigerian music they go now, they go begin to advertise gospel events with secular song. As you drive for your car, you go begin to hear, oh, ye money, holy fire, holy money. Once they get your attention, you go hear the Ministry of Boys Crusade, prisons, 3 days of power packs, miracle signs and wonders. Time 6 p.m. Venue House on the Rock. Come and be delivered of all your financial problem. Jesus is Lord. The song will continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. And I like big men. One thing I won't tell on and now I do this joke because my chico won't go main here. I know the big men and waiting go take no say person don't try, man don't big. You know they carry girls for road. If they get one loyal side chick. If you want to go Abuja, in wife they even know him because in wife no fit break up because where the money won't come from. The wife they know the side chick. As him husband they pack back to go Abuja, and the woman they enter kitchen. Hello Stella. My husband is coming to Abuja. You know it's only you I trust with my husband. I beg you, as my husband they call no alarm follow another girl. As we take care of my husband, another person go take care. Riches, big, you see big men, classic things. It's at engineer day now. Big man like him. You can never, what you go take no rich big man. You know if you catch big man first, where in they eat. If you go see big man, they say your guy is having dinner. You go wait for reception. You cannot be a big man and you day fast food. They say, no be that pomo, raise that pomo. No, you don't shift my pomo, shift this one. You get eyes to see big pomo, you don't get eyes to see big dream. They do raise pomo. And when would they get to it? You know, that time when they grow up for that till but many things just they enter my head. Would they respect, our respect be like, now stupid respect. They can't say that chair we face television, now only that you get them. Which kind of nonsense thing be that one? Our respect, we don't know that our papa reach cube of sugar when they drink tea. Me as last one, they use 2. My other sister, they use 3. My mother, they use 4. They give my papa 7. No reason that diabetes won't take kill the man. They respect person. Then they look down on me, they give me 2 cubes. Now they give me 2 cubes, I mean they take care of them.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.